Today we're going to be washing our car with Garage Therapy, so testing out a couple more of their products. Today we're going to test out Snow Foam V2 and their Car Shampoo. Snow Foam V2 is a pre-wash, right? Foam, rinse, foam style product. And again, like their instructions are just really good. Shake well before use, rinse vehicle thoroughly with pressurized water, remove loose dirt, dilute 1 part to 9 parts water in foam lance bottle. Apply to the vehicle using high quality foam lance, allow to dwell for 5 to 6 minutes. Do not apply in direct sunlight or on hot surfaces. Rinse thoroughly with pressurized water. There's a dilution guide. Maintenance cleaning, put 50 ml to 450 water. Medium cleaning, 75 to 425. That'll be a 1% P.I.R. Heavy duty cleaning, 100 to 400 or 2% P.I.R. Extreme decontamination, 150 to 350, which is a 3% P.I.R. So again, just really excellent instructions. For best results, mix thoroughly in foam lance bottle, configure the lance to ensure consistent wet foam. In some scenarios, it can be beneficial to foam or spray the product on a dry car. Like, really, really good instructions. So I appreciate that. So we're gonna go with the middle here. This is the 75 to 425. We're also gonna play with this gun that Keith found. And it's from Amazon. It's pretty cheap. I think it's like 50 bucks. And it's got an integrated swivel in the bottom of it. It reminds me a lot of the Mosmatic. So it has this short swivel. He was kind of blown away with it. It feels a lot like my Mosmatic. If you look at this, the cuts and CNC machining seems a lot like Mosmatic. This is a lot like MTM, this curved front. But what's interesting about it is it doesn't have a detent. Like, it just transitions really smoothly. So, interesting. In the kit, this comes with a quick connect and some other stuff as well, so it is actually a pretty good value. So we'll use the two of these together, try it out, see how it works. So let's try this out. We'll do the Jamie flip. And what's cool about this is it does swivel very easily, even under pressure. And I realize a quick connect can swivel a little bit, but it's nice. It's just like the Mosmatic. I don't think it's better than the Mosmatic, but it's a quarter the price, so. All right, so as you can see, the MJJC is MJJCing, and we're getting excellent foam. This is, like I said, the 75 to 475, or 75 to 425 rather, which they say is targeting a 2% P.I.R. It is the middle of their range that they give you. So they're telling you can go all the way to 150 mLs of soap to 350 water, and all the way down to 50 to 450. Or 1 to 9. So I think this is actually a really good mix. We're seeing good drawdown. You can see like these black lines here. That's, you know, dirt being sucked out of these outlets and spaces, gaps here. We're seeing that on the side of the car as well. We've got colorful drips. I always like colorful drips when you're using a snow foam product. We're seeing colorful runs on the front as well where we have bugs. I'm just trying to keep that wet because we do have the sun out today and you're not supposed to let this dry on the car. But yeah, check that out. It's actually doing a great job. Lots of dirt coming down here on the back. Looks good. Nice thick foam. So we'll let this sit for another minute and then we're going to rinse the car off. This gun's pretty cool, actually. It's still got a, you still have like a button that you have to pull, because you still have, 2,000 PSI of line pressure behind it, but it's pretty sweet. Works fairly well. It's got a good angle. So when you're holding it straight out like this, it's kind of like when you're holding a pistol. Like you hold a pistol like this and it shoots kind of straight with your arm generally, versus a lot of the others, the competitors like this MTM, you can see that that's kind of shooting upward at an angle. So you kind of have to tip your arm down to get it to be flat, versus this where it's just more natural, I think. So it's actually pretty cool. Time will tell how long it holds up or how well it holds up or if we have problems, but given its cost, if it lasts a year, I think it's probably worth buying. I've had these for multiple years. This is an SGS-28, the Mosmatic I've had for a couple of years, and that's the one I use primarily. And they're super durable. They're a lot more expensive. And I will say that like the bodies of them are all scratched up from like, dragging them on the hose and stuff. We end up with like a bunch of scratches on the top. Having something that is inexpensive that you replace a little bit more often, I don't know that I'm against that. So we're gonna get our car shampoo mixed up. Car shampoo needs 1 to 9 in a foam lance is what they say. So we'll put 50 mLs of soap in here, and then we'll go up to 450. Got our deli mitt here, deli pad. All right, this has good slickness. Glide feels good. Someone sent me this nice orange bucket because I mentioned that I wanted one, which is completely unnecessary. Just really cool. And I have a seat for it too, a padded seat, which I didn't realize I needed it until I had it. It's pretty sweet. Greatly appreciated. All right, so this is honestly working really well. I will say it's not something that has a scent really, like a lot of soaps. I like the scent, like GSF and some others. This one's pretty unremarkable, especially when using it. I'll smell the bottle at the end and see if I can tell a difference. But that's okay. The slickness and cleaning power seem to be great. It's doing a good job. I didn't have to use a ton of it. 50 mLs did a whole car. So can't complain about that. Get this rinsed off. This is like banana. It smells good. So this is Garage Therapy Quick Detailer, which says it can be used as a drying aid. Clean glass. Yeah, it can be used for a lot of different things. So check this out. We'll see how it compares to Sigma. Sigma's more of a spray sealant, a little bit more protection. This is a quick detailer / drying aid. It is nice and slick though, I'll say that. Yeah, this works excellent as a drying aid. No streaking even on glass, even in direct sunlight. So first off, equipment-wise, this thing works really well. Like I said, I found out about it from Keeve, Cars with Keeve on YouTube. It does appear to be modeled after the Mosmatic and the MTM, but it is different enough. It does look a lot like the MTM, but lower angle, no like click detent. The swivel is really nice. It is nice and compact, not quite as compact as the Mosmatic, but this quick connect seems nice as well. Seems to work very well. It's obviously my first time using it, but the swivel is nice and smooth, which is really cool. I would say it's looser than this is, the one on the MTM SGS28. It's not quite, it's honestly probably really close to the Mosmatic. I have the Mosmatic over there. That one's a little bit better than this. This one's been broken in quite a bit, but yeah. Quiver foam cannon, I mean, that did what MJJC foam cannons have always done and delivered excellent quality foam. Did a great job. As far as the products that we used, we started off with snow foam. We did this with 75 mLs of product to 425 of water. That gives according to the bottle, a P.I.R of around 2%. Well, no, sorry. That gives a P.I.R according to the bottle of around 1%, which I think is pretty accurate. Maybe 85 to 1, something like that. So maybe a little bit more than 1%, but that worked really well. We saw a lot of the dirt break down. We saw drips come off that were nice and colorful. We saw bugs get removed really easily. It did what a snow foam should do. Great job. I think that it would have done even better if it had more time to dwell. Unfortunately, it's sunny outside, so I used it in the sun. It tells you not to do that. I just made sure that it didn't dry on the car, but I had a great experience. And then we followed that up with a bucket wash or a foam and contact wash using Car Shampoo V3. This one we did 1 to 9 in the cannon, so 50 ml of product to 450 water, so total of 500 mLs, which is enough to do a whole car. And yeah, worked incredibly well. Great foam, great lubricity, just great experience overall. Like I said, the scent on this isn't very strong. Just smells kind of clean, like laundry scent. I didn't really notice the scent while I was using it, but you know, smelling it from the bottle, you obviously can. So I will say, like, I'm really impressed with every single one of these products that I've tried so far. They've all worked really well. I'm liking the Garage Therapy line quite a bit. The standout for me today was this quick detailer, 2 quick detailer. And man, as a drying aid, it did a great job. On hot, it did a great job. On windows, it did a great job. No streaks, super slick. It's a really nice drying aid. I like it a lot. I really do. It might be one of my favorites. Well, it's definitely one of my favorites. It might be my favorite. I don't know. I'll have to spend a little bit more time with it, try it out on some dark cars and some other things, but it's a really, really good product. So far, I'm really liking the Garage Therapy line. I thank you for stopping by today. If you're interested in trying out any of these products, there will be links in the description. You can go to the House of Rags. If you use IG10, you'll save 10%. I will also get a small kickback. It's one of the ways that you help to support my channel. This entire line was purchased by me with my own money from the House of Rags. They are the distributor for Garage Therapy in the United States. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And I hope that you're having a great day. Oh, and thank you to the person who sent me the orange bucket. You know who you are.